How to use parental controls. Part of keeping the home network safe for everyone is making sure that kids don't access sites that might technically be safe, but that contain inappropriate content for children. Parental controls let you block such sites on kids' devices, as well as set schedules for when each child is permitted to access the internet, and pause internet access for one kid or all kids. To get started with parental controls, you'll need to set up a kid profile. To do this, tap on the menu icon in the top right of your screen and select Parental Controls. Enter the child's name and age for the new profile. Then tap Create Profile. Default web filtering has been applied to this profile based on the child's age. Tap on the child's name. Tap on the plus symbol to the right of devices. Tap on each device that you'd like to assign to this kid profile. Tap the check mark in the upper right corner. If the child associated with this profile is under 13, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act notice will pop up. Read through this notice and press Accept to finish adding devices. Now the devices you selected appear on the kid profile page, and any settings for this profile will be applied to these devices. You can look at those web filters and make any changes. Just tap by category. You can block or allow categories here by tapping on the toggle button to the right of each category. You can also block or allow specific websites, regardless of category. Tap by specific domain, and then tap the plus symbol in the upper right. Then type the domain and URL, and toggle to either allowed or blocked as appropriate. If you'd like to specify days and times that your child is allowed to access the network, tap the plus icon to the right of Web Time. Here, you can select a start time, an end time, and the frequency for your child's access, and then click Save when you're done. To pause the internet for that child, tap the pause button on the top of their profile screen. If you have multiple children and you've created kid profiles for all of them, you can pause internet access for all of them simultaneously. To do this, go to Parental Controls and tap the pause button in the upper right. Then tap Pause in the confirmation pop-up. When internet access is paused for all kids, the pause button will flash and you'll see this message. If your child tries to access a blocked site, this pop-up will be displayed. To resume internet access for all kids, tap the pause button again. It will stop flashing and access will be restored.